This is Subrato Roy.
If you have seen the Netflix documentary Bad Boy Billionaires, you would know him. For others, he is the man behind the Sahara Group, the company that featured on the blue jerseys of the Indian cricket team for a long time. The scam is well known and over 25,000 crore rupees hard-earned money of people has been stuck. It was a chit fund scam and many people invested in the schemes.
Now, after Subrato's passing last week, reports suggest that the government is looking into the legality of transferring unclaimed funds of Sahara SEBI refund account
to the Consolidated Fund of India with a provision to refund investors who stake claims later. But what is this scam all about and what happens if the money is transferred to CFI? We tell you in this video. Hello and welcome, I'm Pallavi Sharma and you're watching MoneyWise with ET Now. Let's begin. First, let's understand the scam. Sahara Group, that had interest in real estate, media, finance and more, raised money through optionally fully convertible debentures or OFCDs from 30 million investors. But the problem was that they were not subject to regulatory oversight. SEBI alleged that the companies violated the regulatory framework by not seeking permission to raise funds through OFCDs and asked the companies to stop doing that. But the group challenged the order in SAT and then in the Apex Court. Now, in August 2012, the court sided with SEBI and asked Sahara to repay the money in 3 installments. SEBI had directed Sahara Real Estate Corp and Sahara Housing Investment Corp to reimburse investors with interest 15% and deposit the money with the markets regulator. However, SEBI barely saw any claimants coming forward in 11 years after the judgments. Only 138 crore rupees was paid to 17,000 applicants by SEBI till March 2023. The Supreme Court also said that if SEBI is unable to track down locations of the claimants, the government would receive the funds received from the subscribers. So how could the investors get their money back? Well, after the Supreme Court order this year, the center in August started the process to refund 5,000 crore rupees of depositors whose money was stuck. Home Minister Amit Shah launched the CRCS Sahara Refund Portal in July to facilitate the refund. Around 18 lakh depositors have been registered on the portal and the government had announced that the money would be transferred to the accounts of 10 crore investors in 9 months. The center is now planning to transfer the refund account into the Consolidated Fund of India. It is one of the most important government accounts that constitutes income generated through direct taxes, indirect taxes and other sources of revenue, excluding the exceptional items, and all this is a part of the Consolidated Fund of India. This fund is used for all expenses carried out by the government except those that are funded by the contingency fund or the public account. So what happens if the account is transferred to the fund? If there are no claimants still, the amount will be used for government welfare schemes. As per experts, there will be very less impact on the bond market due to this addition of money in the CFI. So if you have invested in the Sahara Group or your relative has made an investment, claim it as soon as possible from the refund portal. And how to claim? Well, click on the link in the description for a detailed video on how to get the refund. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to ET Now's YouTube channel.